Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Aquarius, we are picking few cards, guys. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. And I have a special pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that reading, guys. So that will follow this reading. So let's start with these cards. We have man, garden, and heart. So with these cards, guys, Aquarius, in your situation, this person you are seeing, they are interested in you guys, and they are interested in love, and they want a open relationship with you. They want a romantic relationship with you, and they are open to a relationship. So maybe for some of you, if you are looking, maybe if you are thinking whether this person is interested in you, maybe you are planning to see someone new. They are also interested in you guys, and this person is interested in a deep, meaningful relationship. They want commitment with you, and they want marriage. Maybe you are already in a connection and you are thinking of marriage or commitment. This person wants marriage and commitment with you guys, and they want a meaningful, heartfelt, romantic relationship with you guys. This person. So that is the energy, guys, with these cards. And also in your career situation, guys, you are doing something which you are really passionate about. Whatever it may be some work related opportunities that you are getting today, something that uses your skills and talents, and something which you are really happy to do for yourself, guys. Aquarius. So something which gives you happiness and joy, that is what you are doing today. And this person wants commitment. Maybe they are coming to propose, get engaged, or get married to you guys, Aquarius. So that is the energy with these cards. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. Clouds. So you have some doubts regarding this love, regarding this connection. Maybe with the previous cards, we saw that this person is interested in you and they want to get committed to you. So you can give up your doubts. But if you want more clarity, guys, Aquarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. Career situation. Sorry, guys, career. It's the lady. So again, we have the lady and the man in this reading, guys. It just means that both of you are interested to take this relationship forward, but there are some doubts in your situation, and I see that it is going to resolve, guys, because all these cards are very positive. So you are going to feel happy. You may have that communication. Maybe you want communication, or this person wants communication to clear all doubts today, and that is what is happening today in your situation, guys. So you love this person, you want commitment with them, but there are few things you want to clear up before you move in deeply in a connection. So you are clearing things, guys. You are going for that open heart communication. That is what I see with these cards, guys, Aquarius, for your general reading. If you are interested, if you want more clarity, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card, guys. So let's start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. Let's see what it is. What comes of picking flowers? Greed. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe this is the time you are getting transformed. Maybe there are some changes happening in this relationship. So whatever is not working for you, maybe in your connection, in your relationship, you are changing or that person is changing and you are seeing a great transformation. Maybe you would have felt that you are unable to overcome that particular situation, find the right solution. But no matter what your challenges are, there are solutions, guys, and you are simply going to reach those solutions for your problems, and things are going to go in a very positive way. And you are, maybe for some of you, because of this connection, you would have isolated yourself from the people you love, your friends and family members. Maybe it is time you get back to them, guys. So you are healing from this connection. Maybe you are making things right. So whatever is not working, you are making those things right, or you are finding the right decision today, guys, for your circumstance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the first card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card for you all. So this is the second card, and this is a crystal spirit, guys. So with this crystal, it just means that in our connection, sometimes we are so much stressed or worried, and we jump to so many conclusions because of those worries, or constantly because we constantly think about our circumstance. But today we need to let go of these worries we have in our heart, guys, and be simple. Go for that simplicity. Slow down, listen to that other person, whatever they are they want to communicate to you, and simply say sorry or yes or I see as a reply. Simply be present. Simply focus your attention on that other person. So when you listen to that person, the words they speak or the messages they send or their body language, you are going to feel calmer, and you will be ready to face whatever challenges you have, guys, with this simplicity, with simple actions. So today you need to go for simple actions instead of reacting too much. You need to see what that other person is trying to communicate to you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the second card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the third card for those who have chosen this card. Fork in the road. So this means means that you are in the verge of making some important decision, but you don't know which way to go, what you will choose today. And maybe in this love, maybe in this relationship, whether you want to remain isolated or you want to go deeper and commit to that other person. So this is the time for you to take that responsibility for your desires. Maybe if you love this person, and if it is true love that is the basis of this decision, you can go forward towards marriage or engagement, or be committed to this person deeply, guys. But if your intentions are something else, you need to think and decide whether you want to move away from this person. So you have to make authentic decisions, guys. That is the energy with this card. So when you make authentic decisions for yourself, your life path is going to give you a very true experience, and that will please your heart, give you happiness. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.